Hi everyone. Today myself Sumit Madhyaswal, solution specialist in manufacturing at Capricorn Technology, bring you to our weekly Tech Tuesday on how to use sweep command in AutoCAD 3D. Capricorn Technology, a Win Zero company and a partner of choice for the AEC industry, is one of the biggest platinum partners of Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus aspired team member. Capricorn is serving over 20,000 customers in AEC and associated industries. Today agenda. Uh, today we will learn in AutoCAD sweep command, and AutoCAD sweep command is used for create a 3D solid or 3D surface by sweeping a 2D object or sub-object along an open or closed path. Open-ended object create a 3D surface, while object that enclose an area can be set to create either 3D solid or 3D surface. So let's move on AutoCAD screen and we will learn how to use sweep command. As we can see that this is my AutoCAD screen, and this line is a 2D profile, and these two circle is a cross section, and sweep command is the most important command in AutoCAD 3D. Suppose you want to make a hollow pipe, then let's take a 2D profile and make a cross section. This is your 2D profile and this is your cross section. Then select the sweep command. So you have to click type, sorry, sweep, enter. Then select object to sweep. This is your object. Sorry. Again, repeat, sweep, select object. So this is your object. Enter. Then select a sweep path. Then your solid pipe will be created. How can it will show in 3D? You have to go visual style and select a conceptual visual style and rotate it. And this is a solid pipe. If we want to make hollow, then we have to use subtract command. So for subtract command, go to solid editing tab, and this is your subtract command. First click on outer body of the pipe, then enter, then select inner pipe, then enter. Then your hollow pipe will be created. If you want to create a drill bit with the help of sweep command, then how can create it? First of all, we have to create a profile and cross section. Cross section is a rectangle. Again, take sweep command, select object and tag, and we have to select twist option and give the angle. Angle is 760. Enter, then select path. Then it will create a drill bit. We have chosen we have chosen twist option, then 760-degree. This rectangle cross section will be rotated on the 2D profile path, and it will obtain a drill bit. Again, we have option scale option. So we have again profile and cross section, and again select sweep command, select cross section, enter, and select scale option. And if we give scale factor is 0.5, then enter, then select path. Then here is 100% of the cross section, and here is 50% of the cross section, and object will be created look like this. So today I have covered a sweep command, how to use a sweep command, and for more video and updates, do subscribe our channel Capricorn Technology Private Limited, and like and comment. If you like the Tuesday video, we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query, or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.